How we doing, guys? My name is Jordan here at KZ RV Center in Grand Rapids, Michigan. We've been owned and operated privately for over 65 years. Today, I'm getting sunburnt. Just kidding. I'm here to show you the all-new 2021 Gold Series from KZ. I want to point out right away the new front cap. It has a massive tinted window, and above that, you have an LED strip. Now, there's a lot of things that I can show you on this all-new Durango. However, I don't want to take all day, and I'm sure you don't want to watch all day. But I do want to show you a couple really cool things. Up front, you have a massive storage compartment. And even though you have slides on your door side, you do still have awnings, almost the full length of this 38-foot box. Tons of patio space. Moving down the side here, if the storage up front wasn't enough, I can't imagine this won't do it for you. So inside you have a full pass-through storage. All of the latches are the really nice locking slam latches. There's a little bit more side storage here. But on the back is the really cool part. Ignore the lawnmowers, because you could probably fit one in here if you really wanted to. A massive drawer on a slide. It can come almost all the way out, so you can still store things that you're gonna access a lot in the back, and it's not too much of a hassle to get to them. And again, the nicer slam latches with the magnetic catch up top. Moving down the side, same storage that you had on the other side. Three more slides for a total of 5 altogether. And then you're just gonna have your water heater, electric leveling or automatic leveling. Pretty standard on something of this size and quality. But let's head inside. So at around 13,200 pounds and about 40 feet of living, I'm standing in your living room where there is a ton of room for entertainment. 3 sofas, you can easily put 2 to 3 on each of the side sofas, and you do have theater seating with massage, heat, blue LED lighting. Up front, it's kind of hard to miss the massive entertainment area with a lot of storage. Now, you might be wondering, Jordan, there's no TV, there's just the window to the outside. However, with a push of a button, it does raise all the way up. Below that TV, you do have your head unit's gonna control your music, it hooks to your TV, you got your speakers on the side, and below that, you have a 40-inch fireplace. So I'm standing in your kitchen area, and it's kind of hard to ignore this massive double door fridge and freezer. This is gonna run off of propane and electric. Tons of room for weeks worth of food. To the left of that, you have a very, very residential style cooking area. You have a residential size microwave, you have the new upgraded Furrion burners, and you even have an enlarged oven, bigger than what is typically in a travel trailer or a fifth wheel. A massive island with removable sink covers, so you can access your deep stainless steel single bowl sink with a high-rise faucet. It does come with a spray function, so you're able to wash some of those bigger dishes while you're out camping. And in this specifically, you even have a dishwasher, something that you don't see every day. Now, towards the back of the kitchen, what's really nice is the camper itself has a bath and a half. So your half bath is located right in your kitchen. You don't have to track dirt all the way to the back, just use the bathroom while you're at the campsite. You're gonna be right in the kitchen area, and your friends can use it without dirtying up your camper. Now moving into your bedroom, you're gonna notice right away on the inside here that KZ utilized a farmhouse style sliding door. That way you don't have any useless panels in here, and you can actually add to the aesthetic look of your bedroom. You do have some wardrobe space right away moving in. On the wall here, it does come with a TV. You have storage on each side, a massive window that does have the nicer pull down shades, a second fireplace. Whether you want to use that for ambient lighting or actually use it for some heat, totally up to you. Now, before I move on to show you the next cool features, I do want to mention one more thing about this entertainment space. If you're the type of person that likes to bring, say, a firearm or some extra ammo to protect yourself while you're out camping, depending on where you're at, you do have a little secret compartment here right above your fireplace in your bedroom to have quick access to that. And across from that, you have a massive king-size bed with windows on both sides that do open up for some cross ventilation. This bed is on a slide, so that way you do have a little bit more walk room right at the edge of your bed. And over here, before we get into your bathroom, you do have a nice hanging closet. There's a bar. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but a bar on the inside there. You can hang his and hers, jackets, sweaters, sweatshirts, anything like that. And then you can also maybe squeeze in a little laundry hamper down there as well and get it out of the way. Now in your bathroom, this is probably one of the biggest bathrooms you can possibly get in one of these fifth wheels. Right away, you have your foot flush toilet. You are not gonna need to touch any nasty handles. It does also have two windows in here with the nicer pull-down shades. There's one behind this extra wardrobe space and cabinet space as well. They do both open. In the sink area, you have two sinks. His and hers, you have storage underneath. And I do want to mention that the mirrors do not have medicine cabinets behind them, so you're gonna be able to brush your teeth without smacking your head on the cabinets. Moving further, you have a residential size shower with a shower surround and a massive skylight. So for the taller people, you know, 6'2", 6'3", 6'4", even taller, you do have a couple extra inches of headroom in there for when you're showering. To the right of that, this does come with washer and dryer prep, but right now your two extra kitchen chairs are stored in there. Now, as I mentioned before, I can't possibly cover everything that this fifth wheel has. There's just too much. But if you have any questions about anything that I've mentioned before, or you have questions about something that I have not mentioned, please feel free to reach out to me. You can reach me at 616-965-9605. Again, my name is Jordan. Thanks for watching.